Hey my peeps, welcome back to a Unique Journey channel. We will be doing some Jamaican beef patty today. So let me just go ahead and pour the rest of the flour in this bowl. And then we're gonna add some curry powder, some turmeric, some sugar, and some salt. We're gonna whisk everything together just to make sure everything is combined properly. We're gonna add the cold butter. Come on. Just crush the butter in the flour mixture. So it looks like, once it's finished, looks like some crumbled mixture. So you want the butter to be cold. Alright, so we're gonna just slowly pour the cold water and mix this dough. Slowly pour it in. Slowly pour it in. Okay, there you go. Slowly pour, slowly pour. Okay. It's coming along. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna wrap this dough in some plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes or so. To the 1 pound of lean ground beef, we're gonna add some onion powder, some black pepper, garlic powder, allspice, some ginger, getting everything out, and some complete season. If you don't have complete seasons, you can use all-purpose seasoning. The complete season is the Badia brand. Yeah. So just gonna combine everything. I'm gonna put this aside just for a few more minutes. Now we're just gonna saute the vegetables and the herbs. So we're gonna put a tablespoon of oil. We're gonna add the garlic. Get everything in. The onion. Okay. With the onion, we're gonna add some tomatoes. And we're gonna add, I don't have any Scotch bonnet pepper, so some red pepper flakes. Crushed red pepper will do the trick. Not the same as the Scotch bonnet. And some scallion, or we Jamaican say scallion. But here, green onions, we're gonna saute it for just a few minutes. We're gonna add the seasoned ground beef. And there we go. Put this aside. And we're gonna just break it up. So we're just gonna cook this until it's no longer pink, red. Coming along. cooking. Trying to make sure it's coming along, coming along. We're gonna add some soy sauce. Okay. And we're gonna add some browning. Okay. There we go. Add the ketchup. Curry powder. Okay. Some thyme. Sprinkle the breadcrumbs. And then pour the water. Just gonna let it simmer for another 5 more minutes on low heat, and then we can turn off the heat. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this cool down. Okay, so it's time to do the assembly of the patty. So first thing what we're gonna do is make the egg wash. Okay. We're gonna just cut it in 2. All right, let's work with the bigger piece. Put this back in the fridge because we don't want it to melt to room and go to room temperature. So put this back in the fridge. And we're gonna just flour right here a little bit. And also flour this, the rolling pin. Okay, put that aside. All right, so and I'm gonna just press it down. If you have a, there you go. Come on, come on. There we go. And we have one right here. All right. Let's say 2 or 3 tablespoons. All depends on the size you want. Okay, you want to be able to fold them over. Brush the last one. Too much. So every one of them being brushed. Put this aside. Okay, so oven's already hot, 350 degree. We're gonna bake them for about 25 to 30 minutes. And while these are baking, we're gonna go ahead and make the other half of the dough. Okay, so let's go. So I finished the second set, and it's about that time to take out the first set. So let me take out the first set first, okay? This is one. Okay. See? And then I'm gonna attempt to show you the back. Okay, there you go back. Ooh, hi, hi, hi. Hot fire, almost yet. What's that say? Okay. Boy, Jesus. There it is. Thank you for watching another episode from A Unique Journey.